If you're in Tampa and would like to experience a really neat park in South Tampa, there's Picnic Island. Picnic Island has a dog beach. It's also got a frisbee course, and there are many benches that you can go and sit and have parties on. St. Petersburg, we're at Picnic Island in Tampa. That's down by Port Tampa. And this is the pier at Picnic Island, where they also have a boat ramp. There's the Gandy Bridge. People come fishing here. There's lots of parks and places to go in the park. There's beaches and swimming. You gotta watch for the undertow. Lots of signs. There's no lifeguards, of course, but there's lots of places to picnic. And it's a nice view. It's overcast right now, but when I was a kid, I came here and it was all dirt roads, and now it's a regular park with regular roads and pavement, and St. Petersburg is there, and just beyond that there's the Sunshine Skyway, which you probably can't see right now. To Picnic Island, there's the future home of Cyber Fuels Gateway Terminal. There's a gypsum board plant, and there is Picnic Island Park entrance. You have to turn left to get in there. There's Picnic Island in the back where the green trees are, and this building goes all the way back to the water, and I'm going to tell you what it is in a minute, but I believe it's something to do with the production of concrete. But there's a fuel pipe and depot just to the other side, but this is all along near Picnic Island. And when we were kids, we used to come out here and pick up these round porcelain balls, and we never knew what they were until a lot later, and found out that they were used in the mixing of concrete. Let's see what it says. There's a sign. Gold Bond Building Products, gypsum board plant. Okay, so they make gypsum board here. Looks like it's still fenced up. And there's the fuel pipes that go along the side of the road, and there's the dock right over there where we used to go fishing before all these fences were up. Through the cast net, it's about 35, 50 feet deep in that canal there. Built in 1926 as the first bank of Port Tampa in the city, it was robbed, closed, renamed the Commerce Bank of Building. And then it was repurposed numerous times and served, among other things, as a medical facility, flight school, grocery store, and then a fire damaged the interior and the doors were locked for over 40 years, at which point it was resold to the Port Tampa City Women's Club, who turned it into a library. And ironically enough, the library is now closed due to COVID. So if you're in the area, stop by Picnic Island, a neat place to hang out and spend the day on the beach with the cats, with your dog. Those are rogue cats, by the way. People just put them there and feed them to keep down the rats.